Hi guys, in next few lessons I'm going to teach you diagonal peyote stitch. These are my Russian leaf earrings made something like 13 years ago. I made them with Delica bead size 10, and I can tell you how I'm getting older, I like those 10s more. Anyway, the diagonal peyote stitch actually looks like this. So when I put these earrings, fold these earrings in half, this is how the diagonal peyote stitch looks like. So on one side you're going to have decreasing, on the other side you're going to have increasing in peyote stitch, what you already learned in previous lessons. And then so in the next lesson I will show you the principle of the diagonal peyote stitch, and after that I'm going to show you, now these are not firm, these I will explain you how I made these earrings firm later. So this is going to be our workshop also to make Russian leaf earrings. So we will work one side in which I'm going to explain you how to do diagonal peyote stitch, and after that I will show you how to continue and do the other side in diagonal peyote stitch and make these nice Russian leaf earrings, or you can make leaves. You can leave it like this for some designs. You can also make them stiff or make them firm, and I will tell you how you can achieve this. So you can also, it's not only for leaves, you can also use diagonal peyote stitch for making necklaces, because if I didn't put here the ear wire, then you can just make a very nice necklace. First to do one side and then the other side and make a V-shaped necklace. For this project, for Russian leaf earrings, you will need size 15 beads, round seed beads 15, Miyuki Delicas, and ear wire in case that you want to make earrings. So that is one short intro in what we are going to do next few lessons.